products for 2026 from Edelbrock. We begin with the Performer RPM 210cc small block Chevy cylinder heads for hydraulic roller cams. They feature larger ports than standard heads and clean cast technology for greater airflow and cooling. Premium components include stainless steel swirl polished valves, 3/8-inch rocker studs, 5/16-inch guide plates, and sure seat springs. Big block Chrysler fans will rejoice over the 230cc Performer RPM cylinder heads. They feature 73cc fully CNC'd combustion chambers and larger ports. Premium components include stainless steel swirl polish valves, bronze guides, ductile iron seats, and sure seat springs. These heads also feature Edelbrock's clean cast technology for better airflow and cooling. Looking for an affordable upgrade to EFI? Then look no further than the Easy Street Throttle Body EFI System, supporting up to 650 horsepower. Ready to run right out of the box with a simple 4-wire hookup and CAN communication, it comes with integrated injectors, TPS, TMAP, and CTS sensors. The Easy Street Bluetooth Tuner app is preloaded with calibrations, but allows users to configure the system, adjust settings, and monitor performance through intuitive pre-programmed dashboards. Edelbrock's VRS 4150 950 CFM E85 carburetor is engineered for serious performance with ethanol-based fuels. Flowing 30% more fuel than standard gas carburetors, it features dual 50cc accelerator pumps, annular boosters, and precision 4-circuit metering for exceptional throttle response and control. Designed for both race and street applications, it delivers stable fuel flow, consistent power, and easy, accurate tuning, all in a compact, race-proven package built for modern performance. These 205cc Performer RPM cylinder heads for Gen 1 small block Fords deliver increased airflow, superior quality, and precision machining. With larger 205cc intake ports, premium stainless valves, and clean cast technology for improved airflow and cooling, these heads deliver reliable, high-performance power for 289, 302, and 351 Windsor street or strip builds. Check out the all-new Victor series of valve covers and engine accessories, designed, cast, and manufactured in the USA. Building on decades of innovation, this modern line blends Edelbrock's heritage with advanced customization. These big block Chevy covers feature dual 16 Or-B ports for unmatched flexibility, allowing builders to tailor breather, PCV, and fitting options to their exact needs. Available in natural, black powder coat, chrome plasma, and black plasma finishes, the Victor series delivers precision, strength, and true American craftsmanship. They set a new standard for performance customization. Next is the Performer RPM cylinder heads for small block Oldsmobile engines. Engineered to deliver exceptional power and precision and manufactured in Edelbrock's ISO-certified California facility, each head features 68cc combustion chambers, stainless valves, bronze guides, and CompCam's valve train components for superior flow and durability. These heads provide race-proven performance right out of the box for hydraulic roller and hydraulic flat tappet applications, redefining Oldsmobile performance. The Pontiac Victor Jr. intake manifold is engineered for high-horsepower Pontiac engines, where hood clearance is critical. Designed with a low-profile height and angle matching the Edelbrock RPM manifold, it fits second-gen Trans Ams with shaker hoods while supporting up to 700 horsepower. As Edelbrock's first production manifold to use 3D printed intake core technology, it delivers perfectly shaped runners and optimized airflow. No port matching required. Available for carbureted and EFI applications, the Victor Jr. combines precision engineering with race-proven Pontiac performance. The first in its new Victor family of high-horsepower forced induction systems, the Victor LSXR Supercharger is designed for LS3 swap vehicles to deliver precision boost control through Smart Boost technology. It's capable of dialing power from 650 to over 1,300 horsepower at the touch of a button, Featuring a massive 120mm inlet, triple intercooling, and an aerospace-grade 300M input shaft, the Victor LSXR sets a new benchmark for modern supercharger performance. For Jeep fans, we have the Victor CNC cylinder head for 4-liter inline-6 engines. It is a fully CNC-ported evolution of the proven Performer head, delivering maximum airflow, precision, and performance. With 144cc intake ports, 77cc exhaust ports, and 55cc chambers, it's engineered for superior combustion efficiency and power. Optimized for CompCam's valve train components and machined to the industry's tightest tolerances, it features ductile iron seats and bronze guides for strength and reliability. The result, consistent, high-performance power for Jeep enthusiasts on the street or trail. Unlock the full potential of your Hellcat's factory supercharger with the Big Mouth Hellcat Supercharger nose drive, engineered for 2015 to 2023 Dodge Challenger Hellcat models. Designed, cast, and machined in the USA, it delivers increased airflow, boost, and power. Refined through CFD analysis, the Big Mouth reduces inlet restriction and supports throttle bodies up to 130mm, including stock and Demon D170 sizes. Featuring a 300M input shaft and steel pulley hub, it's built for strength, durability, and maximum performance. From the experts at RHS comes 2 new high-performance aluminum LS engine blocks, engineered for both race and street applications. Available in standard and tall deck configurations, these blocks feature 55mm roller cam bores, 0.904-inch lifter bores, and a raised cam centerline for up to a 4.6-inch stroke with improved oiling and reduced windage. Each block undergoes a CT scan for unmatched casting precision and includes extra machining material for custom builds. With superior strength, consistency, and performance potential, RHS LS race blocks set the new benchmark for serious engine builders. Visit our website to learn more at edelbrock.com.